Understanding Our World, the revolutionary dual-band radar imaging satellite. Space exploration has always been the frontier of scientific breakthroughs. Today, we're stepping into an unprecedented era. The collaborative effort of NASA and ISRO has brought forward the world's first dual-band radar imaging satellite, revolutionizing satellite imaging. Never before have we seen the Earth from such an intricate perspective. This technology brings a new level of detail in satellite imagery. The dual-band radar imaging satellite penetrates the layers of clouds and captures high-resolution images, even under challenging weather conditions. Joining forces, NASA and ISRO can monitor environmental changes, aid disaster management, and contribute to developmental projects on a global scale. Embark on this journey with us as we unravel the mystic beauty of our world from a perspective never seen before.